Biden Incorporated, Biden Inc. has been exposed. A cloud of corruption darkens above Joe 30330.
Now to our ABC News investigation this morning into Joe Biden's son Hunter and questions about money he made from foreign business dealings while his father was vice president.
Those. Excuse me.
Not
Excuse me.